These three services allow you to use newest Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro completely for free. Each of these tools has its own pros and cons, so watch until the end so you'll be able to choose the best option for you. The first and the most obvious tool is Google's Gemini Chat. I'm going to create some image from scratch first. Here is image description, and I added wanted aspect ratio of the image to my prompt. I did this because you can't select image dimensions in the Gemini interface. In Gemini, you get only one image in one generation, and all the images are watermarked. If I change aspect ratio to 9:16, for example, it will work too. So you can specify all the standard aspect ratios. And there are also aspect ratios available exclusively in Nano Banana 2. There's no strict daily limit, but you can create at least few dozens of images. This number can depend on the server load, for example. One of the main advantages of Gemini Chat is that you can upload and edit images without changing its aspect ratio. Let me explain. I have this image. It's 1920 by 689 pixels, which is not corresponding any of the aspect ratio standard for Nano Banana. But if I edit it, I'll get edited version with the same dimensions, no matter how many edits I'm going to apply. As you can see, point of view is slightly different, but image dimensions are the same. The next tool I'm going to show you is 11 Labs. You can go to Image and Video tab and select the model you need. You can use all the three existing versions of Nano Banana, old and fastest one, Nano Banana 2, and Pro version. In 11 Labs, you have 10,000 free monthly credits. Here you can select one of the available aspect ratios. Here are image resolution options. Now 1K is selected, and you can see that you can generate up to 24 images in this resolution. If I select 4K, there will be only 10 images. Obviously, credit consumption depends on the model, resolution, and amount of images in the single generation. You can get up 4 images in one generation. Okay, I'm going to add the same reference image with the unusual aspect ratio, but this time I need to select output resolution that is kind of similar to the original image, but of course it won't be the same, like in Gemini. My prompt is the same, I just want to remove the boat. You can see that the images aren't watermarked. In 11 Labs, you have only 3 free generations per day. This means that you can create up to 12 free images. The next tool is Google's Flow. After creating new project, you can use Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro. Images can have only 2 aspect ratios, 16:9 and 9:16. Here you can get up to 4 images in one generation, but the main advantage of the Flow is that the images aren't watermarked, and the daily limits are pretty generous. You can create more than 100 images with Nano Banana 2 and a dozen of images with Pro version. Nano Banana 2 is really good compared to previous version, but Nano Banana Pro still feels like the next level, especially in terms of overall quality or when you want to make the most precise edits. Let's summarize. Gemini Chat allows you to create few dozens of images per day for free. It looks like Nano Banana Pro is currently unavailable in Gemini Chat. I tried different modes in different accounts, but it always uses Nano Banana 2 for image generation and editing. Images have watermark, but it keeps original aspect ratio of the uploaded image if you want to edit it. 11 Labs have all 3 Nano Banana models, but you can create up to 12 images per day for free, and the amount of the monthly credits isn't really big. Flow has just like 11 Labs doesn't add watermark to the generated images. Free daily limit is the most generous among all these services, but there are only landscape and portrait aspect ratios available. Thanks for watching.